In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add columns in your email campaigns using Mailchimp. Now, Mailchimp doesn't provide you with a straightforward add columns button, but don't worry, they've made it possible to create beautiful structured layouts using their drag and drop editor. If you're ready, let's dive into it. First things first, you'll need to log into your Mailchimp account. Once you're logged in, head over to the campaigns section. That's where all the magic happens. In this section, you'll find an option labeled All Campaigns. Clicking on this will give you a look at every campaign you've ever crafted. From here, you can either create a new email campaign or choose to edit an existing one. If you're opting for editing, simply find the campaign you want to tweak. Look for the edit button conveniently located right beside the campaign's name and give it a click. Now, to start incorporating columns into your design, you'll want to scroll down through the campaign options until you find the section labeled Content. Once you're there, hit Edit Design. This will bring you to Mailchimp's intuitive editor page. Here you'll want to add a text block. Don't be misled by the name. This block is the gateway to setting up your columns. After placing your text block, move on over to the settings. In the settings section, you'll see an option to specify the number of columns you'd like to include in your email. Have a visualization of what you want your email to look like. Good. Add in the number of columns needed to achieve that aesthetic. Next, think about how you'd like these columns to be split within your email. Mailchimp lets you adjust the distribution, giving you the flexibility to decide how much space each column should take. Do you want them evenly split or maybe give a little more room to one of them? It's entirely up to you. Now that your layout is in place, the real fun begins. You can edit each column with various content blocks of your choice. Whether it's images, text, buttons, you name it, you can add it. This is where you get to personalize each section and make your email truly stand out. Finally, after you've put everything in place and you're satisfied with how your email looks, it's time to wrap things up. So click that Save and Close button to ensure all your changes are finalized. And there you have it, your email design is complete, equipped with a sleek, professional looking column layout. This process may seem a bit involved, but once you get the hang of it, you'll be able to create stunning emails tailored precisely to your needs using Mailchimp's flexible editor. Thanks for tuning in and happy designing.